Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I will show you how to record the screen on this device. And to get started, what you want to do is basically open up the content that you wish to record, or you can start right here, it doesn't really matter. And to find the toggle, unlike majority of modern devices, the toggle is a little bit more hidden, so you do need to hold power key, and you'll have screen recorder right here. So let's tap on it. Select agree and allow, and let's tap on the red circle, and this will start the recording. As you can see, the timer starts, so whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Now it is working a little bit slow right now because of the recording. It is an old device, so it is to be expected. Now once you're done recording, you can tap on this and select the red square, and this will save the recording, and the recording will be saved automatically to your gallery application. So close this and try to find it. So it's called album here, and you should be able to see your recording right over here. So there we go, this is the recording. So if you found it very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.